Welcome back, guys. Vlookup. We have been practicing it a lot in Excel spreadsheets. How does this work with Google Sheets? Very simple, straightforward, and nothing to worry about. It's exactly the same as you do it in Microsoft Excel. You don't believe it? Let's try it and see. It's very simple. So here we are. This is Google Sheets. I have some subjects here. You can see these subjects are where I need to understand the assignment, and assignment is in another tab where we have all the assignments, their status, time, and starting date, due date, etc. So for example, if I want to pull in the assignment name, what did I get for mathematics is equal to VLOOKUP, simple, the same syntax as we have in Excel spreadsheets. VLOOKUP. I select the cell with the subject name mathematics. So what do we want to look up? Maths, comma. Now we need to go back and provide the reference, and the reference in this case is on the assignment table, that is the second column, assignment. Okay, comma, second means 2, and I want exact results, enter. There we go. I have got all of the assignment names. So which assignments I need to complete by this date. Now, which date? We need to pick up the date as well. Is equal to VLOOKUP, the same VLOOKUP syntax, select which subject I would like, and then I will go back to the assignment table, and in the assignment table I will pick up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Remember, column 6, comma, column 6, comma, false. There we go. Now we have the due dates as well. So for mathematics, what is my due date? Geography, physics, and biology. So you can see it has given us a very specific date as well. So as you see, fellows, it is more or less the same as it in Excel spreadsheets. Very simple, very easy, and in my opinion, it is very handy when you're using Excel spreadsheets or Google Sheets. It's a very handy function, VLOOKUP. I hope you enjoyed it. I look forward to speak to you again in our next video. Till then, don't forget to like, share, and comment this video. And if you're a new subscriber, then I welcome you on the channel and look forward to speak more often with you. Take care of yourself. Stay safe. Bye-bye.